So this is our second lesson of ICT productivity tools. We are going to focus on how to select and the various types of word processing tools that are currently available in the market. So we have various word processing productivity tools. For an example, we have Microsoft Word, Apple Pages, Canva Docs, Google Docs, LibreOffice, and Apache Office Writer, which are from the same company, a parent company, of course. Then we have WPS Office Writer and Zoho Writer. So, which one amongst these do you think is the best word processing tool that you are supposed to be using? There, for you to be able to make choices, then we are going to discuss each one of these. We are going to discuss only five out of the seven that I've been able to present, though there are about 10 or more word processing tools that are available, and each one of them you'll find out that most of those, some of them are compatible with the most operating systems, while others are not compatible with all operating systems that are available. So let us first start with the Microsoft Word, which is a powerful and widely used word processing application that is developed by Microsoft. It comes under the Office suite, or it can you can also download the Microsoft 365 suite and use it. They are a bit different, where Office is a standalone one-time purchase application, while Office the one that can be renewed on a rolling basis, for an example, yearly basis and a monthly basis. So that is M365 that you can subscribe on a rolling basis, while the standalone application that is purchased once is the Office suite. So the latest Office suite is the Office 2024 that came with a number of applications, as you can be able to see in an image on the far right corner. Then uh, next, we are looking at Google Docs. So Google Docs is also a word processing productivity tool that is available. It is a free, it is web based, so that means you can only access it using the web. Although there are now efforts, I think there is a Google Docs app that is available for most Android devices. On the app, you can be able to see the how the ribbon looks like, and also uh, look at how it differs from the one that is from Microsoft Word. So this one is available on the web. You can be able to use it from there. Collaborate. It is good for collaboration, allowing multiple students to work on the same document simultaneously, to leave comments and suggest edits. Perfect for group projects. Next, we are looking at is called LibreOffice Writer. LibreOffice Writer is a free open source desktop word processor developed by the Document Foundation. It originally branched from Apache OpenOffice to provide a more modern and frequently updated alternative. Writer offers a feature-rich environment for creating everything from quick demos to entire books, etc. So this LibreOffice Writer and Apache Office Writer, which we are going to look at in our next slide, they came from the same parent company, that was opensource.org, and now the parent company was bought by Oracle, and there were, because it was free, there were fears that it would be commercialized. So some of the designers or developers who had designed the word processor now decided to part ways with the parent company, and now created LibreOffice Writer. And then next, after the creation of the LibreOffice Writer, now came Apache of Open Office Writer, which came from opensource.org. This one was now created by Oracle. Can be able to see and see the ribbon, how it appears and how it differs from the rest of the word processing tools that are available. Next, we are looking at WPS Office Writer. So WPS Office Writer is included in the WPS Office suite. It offers a fast, lightweight, and highly compatible word processing experience. So you can be able to see how the ribbon looks like and how it differs from the rest. Of course, this one is the second most used word processing tool here in Kenya, apart from Microsoft Word. Ranked second is WPS Writer. Before we now look at others such as LibreOffice, Apache, and Google Docs. Of course, Google Docs is just emerging, and it is also hitting up. Numbers are rising in terms of users who are accessing and using the site. Because Microsoft Office is a bit expensive, people tend to go for these open source word processing and productivity tools that are open for every use. Lastly, we look at the key features of word processing tools. So, amongst all these five that I've looked at, what are these key features of word processing tools that are available in each and every of the processing tool? So, there is media integration where you can be able to insert images, shapes, and charts with the text wrapping to control how words flow around them. Although there are some differences on how you can be able to insert the media to input media integration, but most of them will find out that they allow. I know that Google Docs is a bit is a you will have to face some problems, especially when want to insert maybe a shape, because you will have to draw the shape, and sometimes most of the shapes are not embedded within the word processor tool that is Google Docs, and maybe in time they will catch up with the rest of the companies in uh, looking at improvising their features that are available. Then we also have proofing tools that use grammar checkers, autocorrect, and eliminate mistakes when you're typing. You are able to see the word maybe when it is not correctly spelled, a red underline, whether it is not making grammar, you'll be able to see blue underline or so. Then most of them have templates which are pre-formatted layouts. For example, you'll be able to see the layouts of resumes, CVs, letters, reports, and so many others. Most of these web-based, for example, the M365 that is web-based, you can be able to see and access hundreds of templates. Same case to Google Docs and others. Then so all these key features that are here are in most of them. It allow mail merge that we shall be able to look at that when we start looking at Microsoft Word, and we shall also, apart from Microsoft Word, we shall also look at mail merge in many other word processing tools, such as in Google Docs. How can you be able to mail merge, and then how can you be able to collaborate, maybe using or Microsoft Word, and how you can be able to collaborate using Google Docs and so many others. That marks the end of our lesson. Let us meet in our next lesson where we shall now start creating a text document. Have a good time.